Narration. Imagine waking up every day with a single thought dominating your mind. A craving so powerful that it overrides logic and self-control. Throughout history, humans have discovered substances that affect the brain. These substances can hijack the brain's reward system. Some of these substances are legal and widely accepted. Others are illegal and heavily controlled. And some were originally developed as medicine. But all of them can fundamentally change how the brain works. Addiction begins when a substance floods the brain with dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical responsible for pleasure and reward. When dopamine levels spike, the brain experiences intense satisfaction. Over time, the brain adapts to these powerful chemical changes. Everyday activities begin to feel less rewarding. The brain slowly becomes dependent on the substance. Eventually, the substance becomes necessary just to feel normal. Let's explore 10 substances with the strongest addictive potential. Number 10 on the list is caffeine. Caffeine is the most widely consumed psychoactive substance in the world. It is commonly found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks. Caffeine works by blocking a brain chemical called adenosine. Adenosine normally signals the brain that it is time to rest. But frequent use can lead to mild dependence. Without caffeine, many people experience headaches and fatigue. This makes caffeine one of the most common dependencies. Number 9 is nicotine. Nicotine is the addictive chemical found in tobacco products. When nicotine enters the body, it reaches the brain within seconds. It quickly triggers the release of dopamine. This creates feelings of pleasure and relaxation. But nicotine leaves the body quickly. This causes cravings that encourage repeated use. Over time, nicotine becomes extremely addictive. Number 8 is alcohol. Alcohol has been part of human culture for thousands of years. It affects several important brain chemicals. These chemicals control mood, relaxation, and inhibition. This is why alcohol can initially make people feel relaxed. However, frequent drinking changes brain chemistry. Over time, the brain begins to depend on alcohol. When alcohol use stops, withdrawal symptoms can appear. In severe cases, alcohol withdrawal can be dangerous. Number 7 is benzodiazepines. These medications are commonly used to treat anxiety and insomnia. These drugs work by slowing down activity in the brain. They work by enhancing the calming effects of a brain chemical called GABA. This produces feelings of calm and relaxation. But long-term use can cause physical dependence. Stopping suddenly can cause dangerous withdrawal symptoms. Number 6 is cannabis. Cannabis contains a psychoactive compound called THC. THC interacts with the brain's endocannabinoid system. This system helps regulate mood, appetite, and memory. Many users experience relaxation and mild euphoria. But frequent use can lead to psychological dependence. Some people experience irritability and sleep problems when quitting. Number 5 appearing with MDMA pill icon. MDMA is both a stimulant and a hallucinogenic drug. MDMA is both a stimulant and a hallucinogenic drug. It causes the brain to release large amounts of serotonin. This creates feelings of happiness and intense energy. But MDMA temporarily drains serotonin levels. After the effects fade, users may feel depressed or exhausted. Number 4 is methamphetamine. Meth is one of the most powerful stimulants ever created. It releases massive amounts of dopamine in the brain. This creates extreme energy and euphoria. But meth severely damages brain cells over time. Long-term use can lead to paranoia and memory loss. Eventually, the brain struggles to feel pleasure without the drug. Number 3 is cocaine. Cocaine is derived from the coca plant. It blocks the brain's ability to reabsorb dopamine. This causes dopamine levels to spike dramatically. The result is a short burst of intense pleasure. But the effect fades quickly. This leads users to take repeated doses. Number 2 is fentanyl. Fentanyl is a powerful synthetic opioid. It was originally developed for severe medical pain relief. Fentanyl is far stronger than most other opioids. Even tiny amounts can cause overdose. And number 1 on the list is heroin. Heroin is an opioid drug derived from morphine. When heroin enters the brain, it produces an intense rush of pleasure. But the brain quickly builds tolerance to the drug. This means users need larger doses to feel the same effect. When heroin use stops, withdrawal symptoms can be extremely painful. It happens because addictive substances change the brain's reward system. Over time, these substances train the brain to crave them more and more. Understanding how addiction works is the first step toward prevention. Education and awareness can help people make safer and healthier decisions. And for those already struggling with addiction, recovery is always possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational videos like this.